Hello everyone, how are you doing? Greetings to Chatbox, Master of English, Kanguro Facebook group, and Mojave Telegram group as well. This is Joan Zen. I'm glad to be here recording a new video. It's just for fun, it's just for practice. I need to practice my English every day. And today it's a little bit different, my video, because it's related with daily things related with my work. Okay, I'm going to take a box that I found some days ago in my storage room. To my surprise, I found that. Okay, let me explain, let me show you. Okay, this is a bottled water, but it's a little bit vintage because this water bottle belongs to my first year working in my workshop, maybe 15 years ago. And of course I can sell this water bottle, and I decided to make a raffle. Okay, take these 30 water bottles, put a number in every bottle, and make a raffle, and the number, and I'm going to give these bottles to my clients, my 30 first clients, and I choose a number, maybe with the random number, the random number generator here in with my mobile, and the prize is a special bomb. It's let me show you. It's a fantastic bomb. Here you are. Okay. Here. Okay. Let me show you here. Okay, it's a fantastic bomb to pump up the wheels of a bicycle. Okay, let's see. As you can see, I can show you a little bit my workshop with a lot of things. Nowadays, in this moment, in this season, it's I have no too much work. I have some bicycles to repair, but it's the part of the year more tranquil, more relaxing. Okay. Okay. What else? I think that's all for now. Another way to practice my English, off the cuff, absolutely, totally off the cuff. Okay, it's a way that you can explain better and practice better your English. Okay, that's all. Bye bye. See you.